Hi, Dr. Brad Hannon here with another video of my MET Move, Eat, and Think Foundation series, where I'm teaching you just some daily things that we can do for ourselves to just take better care of our body that we've been given. So I want to talk to you today about core, okay? So when we think about core, think about a can. We have the bottom, we have the top, we have the front, the sides, and the back. We want to exercise these because we want them to stabilize our lower back. Anytime we want to protect something, what do? We build a cage around it. Our mid-back, our organs up here, we have the ribs, we have a nice cage. Down here, we can't have a bony cage because our food's got to go somewhere. Pregnant women, okay? So we have the musculature, but we got to learn how to use it, okay? And we practice with these techniques, and that way we can go ahead and use it throughout our day. So these are going to be some floor exercises, so let's go ahead and get down on the floor. So the first thing I like to do is a plank. So you're going to get on your elbows and hold that plank. So this is it, pretty simple. Hold it, maybe 30 seconds, maybe a minute, okay? Sometimes I even like to close my eyes, do some proprioceptive training, okay? Then I like to roll into the side bridge, okay? Elbow down, put your hand up here, otherwise you're gonna be tempted to cheat, okay? We're not working out the arm, we're working out the core. So hold yourself up. You would hold it for 30 seconds, maybe a minute, okay? Flip over onto the other side. While I'm on the floor, I like to go ahead and get into the glute bridge. Lie on your back, hands on the side, hips go up. Hold it 30 seconds, maybe a minute. If that's too easy, you can do one-legged, a little more challenging. Of course, you do the other side. Okay. Another exercise I like is called bird dog. So get on your hands and knees on the floor here. Now, depending on where you're at, you may start off with just doing one arm, maybe one leg. But at some point, you should be able to do opposite arm and opposite leg. Hold it for 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Do the other side. Next, I like to do a few crunches on the ball. So sit on the ball. This is going to create stability. That's part of not losing our balance. We find that losing our balance is actually correlated to decreased brain function. So balance is going to be really important for us. So let's go ahead and roll out a little bit. Get comfortable on the ball. Cross your arms. Just kind of hold on to the t-shirt a little bit. And just do some little crunches. I like a lot of reps. Personally, I do a few hundred. Not asking you to do that, but I'm just saying at some point in time they should get kind of easy and you can really knock them out. Okay? Now let's go ahead and stand up. What I'd like to do now is one-legged stance. This is great barefoot. This is great if you're talking on the phone, you can kind of sneak it in. So just stand on one foot. Okay? Stand on the other foot. 30 seconds, minute. Get good at this. This is important. Okay? If your core was weak, your hips are going to fall. Okay? When you get good at this, maybe again add some proprioceptive training to it. Stand on one leg, eyes closed. Stand on the other leg, eyes closed. Again, this is great barefoot. If you want to take it to the next level, there's rocker boards. I have a bladder here. Get on that. Stand on one foot. Challenge yourself, okay? There's always the easier place to start, and there's always the next level to take it, okay? So, again, remember, when you want to feel your best, think MET. Move, eat, and think. How am I doing these things? And that'll steer you in the right direction. Thanks.